Hey everybody, we all have that can of WD-40 somewhere in the house, right? Usually it's tucked away in a toolbox or under the sink, and we mostly think about it when a door hinge starts to squeak. But guys, I'm telling you, that little blue and yellow can is capable of so much more. We're talking about tackling sticky residues, banishing rust, and dealing with everyday annoyances. After years of tinkering and experimenting, I've discovered a treasure trove of WD-40 tricks that'll make you see this household hero in a whole new light. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of WD-40 and turn yourself into a certified life hack champion, buckle up. We're about to embark on a roller coaster ride of problem-solving, myth-busting, and straight-up WD-40 wizardry. Let's kick things off with a sticky situation: gum in the hair. It's a parent's worst nightmare and a stylist's arch nemesis. But before you grab those scissors, meet your new secret weapon, WD-40. Yes, WD-40 can help you remove gum from hair. Just spray the gum generously, saturate the gummy mess thoroughly. Start combing gently from the bottom. You'll be amazed at how easily the gum comes out. Let's be real, nobody enjoys cleaning the toilet. It's one of those necessary evils, but what if I told you that WD-40 could make this dreaded chore a whole lot easier? We've all been there, those stubborn stains and mineral deposits that just refuse to budge. Well, WD-40 can help you evict those unwanted guests from your porcelain throne once and for all. Simply grab your can of WD-40 and give the inside of your toilet bowl a good spray, focusing on those hard-to-reach areas. Let the WD-40 work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the time is up, grab your trusty toilet brush and give it a good scrub. You'll be amazed at how easily the stains come off. Plus, the WD-40 will leave behind a protective layer that helps prevent future stains from forming. Talk about a win-win. We've all been there. You try on a ring, it feels a little snug, but you convince yourself it'll fit just fine. Fast forward a few hours and you're sweating, twisting and pulling, trying desperately to free your finger from its bejeweled captor. But fear not, my friend, because WD-40 is here to save the day. WD-40 can help you remove a stuck ring without resorting to drastic measures. Just grab your trusty can of WD-40 and give the area around the ring a light spray. Now gently twist and wiggle the ring while applying a bit of pressure. You'll be surprised at how easily it starts to move. Once the ring is free, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to remove any WD-40 residue. Let's be honest, there's nothing more satisfying than peeling off a stubborn sticker, except when it leaves behind a gooey, sticky residue. Whether it's price tags on new gadgets or stubborn labels on jars, we've all been victims of sticky residue's wrath. But fear not, my friends, because WD-40 is here to banish sticky residue to the shadow realm. WD-40's magical formula can dissolve even the most stubborn adhesive residues, leaving your surfaces clean and smooth. Just grab your can of WD-40 and give the affected area a good spray. Let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the WD-40 to penetrate and loosen the adhesive. Then, simply wipe away the residue with a clean cloth. You'll be amazed at how easily it comes off. No more scraping, no more harsh chemicals, just pure residue-removing bliss. Alright, let's talk about rust. That reddish-brown scourge that can turn your prized possessions into crumbling relics. Rust is the enemy of all things metal. Let me introduce you to your secret weapon, WD-40. It loosens rusted parts and prevents rust from forming. Spray WD-40, let it sit, then scrub away the rust. You'll be amazed at how easily it comes off. Gardeners, this one's for you. Nobody likes a rusty, sap-covered trowel. WD-40 makes your post-gardening cleanup a breeze. It cleans, protects, and extends their lifespan. Spray your tools generously, getting into all the nooks and crannies. WD-40 dissolves stubborn sap and resin deposits, leaving your tools sparkling clean. Parents, if you've ever walked into a room to find your little Picasso has used your pristine white walls as their canvas, this one's for you. Crayon marks can be a real pain to remove. But before you reach for the industrial-strength paint thinner, let me introduce you to a safer, gentler solution: WD-40. WD-40 acts as a solvent, breaking down the waxy crayon marks and making them easier to wipe away. To work this magic, simply grab a clean cloth and spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the crayon marks. Gently rub the cloth over the crayon marks in a circular motion. You'll be amazed at how easily the crayon marks disappear. Once you've removed the crayon marks, Wipe down the area with a damp cloth to remove any WD-40 residue. Listen, there's nothing quite like the sleek, modern look of stainless steel appliances in a kitchen, but maintaining that pristine, fingerprint-free shine can feel like a full-time job. But before you surrender to a life of smudges and streaks, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, WD-40. WD-40 is perfectly safe for use on stainless steel appliances and can actually help you achieve that coveted streak-free shine. Grab a clean, soft cloth microfiber works best and spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the cloth. Avoid spraying directly onto the appliance as it might be difficult to control the amount and could lead to streaking. Wipe the appliance in the direction of the grain. Most stainless steel appliances have a brushed finish, and wiping in the direction of the grain will help you achieve a uniform, streak-free shine. We've all been there. You peel off a sticker or a price tag, and you're left with a stubborn, sticky residue that refuses to budge. You try scraping it off with your fingernails, but it just smears and makes a bigger mess. But fear not, my friends, because WD-40 is here to save the day. WD-40 is a sticker-removing superhero. Its magical formula can dissolve even the most stubborn adhesive residues, making it a breeze to peel off those unwanted stickers and labels. Grab your can of WD-40 and give the sticker or label a good spray, making sure to saturate the adhesive thoroughly. Let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the WD-40 to penetrate and loosen the adhesive. Then, simply peel off the sticker or label. If there's any remaining adhesive residue, spray a little more WD-40 on a clean cloth and wipe it away. We've all been there. You're in a hurry trying to zip up your jacket or your favorite pair of jeans, but the zipper is stuck. You pull and tug, but it refuses to budge. But before you resign yourself to a life of buttoning and snapping, let me introduce you to a simple solution: WD-40. Yes, our trusty multi-purpose friend can also work wonders on stuck zippers. To free your stuck zipper, simply grab your can of WD-40 and give the zipper teeth a light spray. Avoid getting any WD-40 on the fabric, especially if it's delicate. Now gently work the zipper up and down, applying a bit of pressure if needed. You'll be amazed at how easily it starts to move. Once the zipper is moving freely, wipe away any excess WD-40 with a clean cloth. Alright, car enthusiasts, this one's for you. Bumpers take a beating with road grime and scrapes. Try WD-40 as a budget-friendly alternative. It cleans dirt, grime, and black marks. Spray WD-40 on a cloth and wipe gently. For tougher stains, rub in a circular motion. Whether you have kids, pets, or just a tendency to trip over your own feet, scuff marks on your floors are an inevitable part of life. But before you reach for the harsh chemicals and spend your weekend on your hands and knees, let me introduce you to a gentler, more effective solution: WD-40. WD-40 is a surprisingly effective scuff mark remover. Its unique formula can break down dirt, grime, and even those stubborn black marks that seem to magically appear on your floors. Grab a clean, soft cloth and spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the cloth. Gently rub the cloth over the scuff marks, working in a circular motion. You'll be amazed at how easily they disappear. For tougher scuff marks, spray a little more WD-40 onto the cloth and apply a bit more pressure. So there you have it, folks. 12 surprising uses for WD-40 that will change the way you tackle everyday problems. From sticky situations to rusty dilemmas, WD-40 has proven time and again that it's more than just a lubricant. It's a versatile problem solver that belongs in every homeowner's arsenal. Now I know I only scratched the surface here. WD-40 has a cult following for a reason, and I'm confident that you've got your own arsenal of WD-40 hacks up your sleeve. So go forth, my friends, experiment, and let me know in the comments below what other ingenious uses you've discovered for this miracle in a can. Until next time, happy hacking.